Imagine a world where your financial future is in your hands, where your decisions, your strategies, and your wit steer the ship of your wealth. Welcome to the world of trading. It's a realm where fortune favors the brave, but more importantly, the informed. In today's discourse, we dive into the ocean of financial trading, bringing to surface 5 key strategies that can guide even the most novice of traders. First up, we have trend following. This strategy is like a compass in the vast sea of trading. It's all about identifying the market's direction and riding the wave. But remember, patience is key. Waiting for the right wave might be challenging, but it's often rewarding. Next is the contrarian investing. It's like swimming against the current. When most are selling, you're buying. When others are buying, you're selling. It's risky indeed, but fortune does favor the brave. Thirdly, we have the index trading. Think of it as a team sport, where you're not betting on a single player but the entire team. Here, you're trading a basket of stocks, spreading out your risk. Next in line is range trading. Here, you're like a hawk, waiting for the right moment to strike. It involves identifying and capitalizing on price movements within a defined range. Finally, we have the news trading strategy. In this approach, you're an informed trader, reacting to events and news that can swing the market. It's all about staying updated and making quick decisions. Now, let's summarize. We've explored 5 trading strategies today. Trend following, where patience and observation are key. Contrarian investing, a bold approach that involves going against the crowd. Index trading, a safer bet that involves spreading out your risk. Range trading, where keen observation and timing are crucial. And news trading, a strategy that requires staying updated and making quick decisions. Remember, each strategy has its pros and cons, and what works best for you depends on your risk tolerance, time commitment, and financial goals. Trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategy, patience, and practice, it can be a path to financial freedom. In the world of trading, knowledge is power, and power is profit. So arm yourself with these strategies, dive into the market, and may the odds be ever in your favor.